Hello everyone, here I am Badal Sagar. Let's start our part number 9. Part number 9 today, whatever we discuss is just regarding the continuity with the part number 8. So, whenever you are end up with the part number 8, you can continue with the part number 9 of electrostatic of conductors. It means the electrostatic point scenario. What is the conductor it can be, and it's a conclusion part we will see in this present discussion. So this is what we seen inside the conductor is the electrostatic field. It means E is equal to 0. At the surface of the charged conductor, electrostatic field must be the normal to the surface of the its every point of the surface. Third, the interior of the conductor can have no excess of charge in a static situation. It means number of positive charge and number of negative charge will be always same. So there is a equivalency between the charges. So there is a no excess of charge if you are not adding outside, if you are not adding from the outside. Fourth, electrostatic potential is constant. So the potential will be the constant throughout the volume of the conductor. So the inside this conductor or the on surface of the conductor, potential will be not vary as the point to point. Conductor and has the same value of the sun on surface also. Is it okay? Let's start with the fifth point of the conductor, the electric field at the surface of the charged conductor. How much electric field? We will see in the present discussion how much electric field on the surface of the charged conductor. So we are inducing a charge on it. So this is what we have on surface. For the finding the electric field, we take a Gaussian surface, which is you can see, which is one looks like a cylinder, but this cylinder is a very infinitesimal height. You can see delta S you can able to negligible, and their Gaussian surface has charges, what charges on the surface actually, and this is the electric field component. So choose a pillbox. It means one box which is in the cylinder in the shape, which is nothing but the Gaussian surface for you. At the point P, it means this point on the surface as shown in figure. The pillbox is partially inside, that the pillbox which is attached to the surface, and partially outside. It means slight heighted it is, so it is the outside also surface of the conductor. It has a small area of the cross sections and negligible height. Is it okay? Now we go for the finding the point of the electric field, this component, and this is what we have in this figure. The just inside the surface, this is one of the conclusion we already established among the force. The electrostatic field will be 0. This will help you here, and just outside it is normal to the electric field. But how much, that we have to find now. Okay, so this is what we have. Phi means flux is equal to E cross S. E means electric field, S is the surface element. So here we have electric field and surface element. You can able to see that electric field component and surface element component, either they are parallel or either they are anti-parallel, but this will give the result. And for here surface element is delta S, so it can be plus or minus according to parallel. In our case it is parallel, so you can go with the plus sign, otherwise you can go with the negative sign also. But according to the Gauss law, what Gauss law says, phi is equal to Q by epsilon 0. What is phi for us? This much. So that I am putting. What is phi, or what is Q, total charge of the conductor, what you have. Okay, and here we have one surface, so I am taking the surface charge density, which is sigma time delta S. You aware about the charge continuity. Okay, line charge density, surface charge density, volume charge density, lambda, sigma and rho. So the one of the sigma I am using, sigma time delta S is equal to Q. Okay, so I can replace the total Q is equal to sigma time ds. So delta S is the cancel out from the each other, so the only E is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0. This is the conclusive electric field of a surface. Thus the contribution from the total flux through the pillbox comes only from the outside of the cross sections of the pillbox. This flux is nothing from the outside only. There is no contribution from the inside. So the electric field E is equal to how much? Sigma time epsilon 0. Sigma upon epsilon 0. Sorry. Electrostatic shielding. What is called electrostatic shielding? Let's start. So this is, you can able to see one surface is there, but inside the surface there is a part which is called cavity. Cavity means કાણું. કાણાની અંદર ચાર્જ નથી. There is a something which surface is there. Inside the surface we have one hole. In this hole it is named as cavity in a physics. What it is, consider a conductor with cavity. એવું conductor લો that we have in the hole with it, which no charge inside the cavity. It should be there is no charge inside the cavity. A remarkable result is that electric field of the cavity is obviously zero because the charge is not there. So the electric field also should be not there. Whatever be the size or shape, it will not matter of the cavity. It is whether it is a square, triangle, circle, but a cavity is a cavity. There is a no electric field, there is no charge, and whatever the charge conductor and the external field, white might be the place outside to the cavity. The electric field inside the charge shell, it means the cavity is zero. And also for the this conductor also, the electric field for the inside the whole conductor, whether they have a charge also, it is zero. That we concluded earlier also. Okay, let's start. What is the exact meaning of the electrostatic shielding? This is for explaining the electrostatic shielding. I am taking the example of the cavity. What is a cavity? It is a hole where charges are not belong. And why I am taking the blank slide? Because I want to pick those things in pin these things in the mind. So one hole, inside that hole we don't have a charge, don't have electric field also. Okay, this is what we have. And a related result is that even if the conductor is charged, even if the conductor is a charge or charge already, or charges are induced or neutral conductor by the electric field, all charges reside only on the outer surface of the conductor of the cavity. It cannot penetrate to the cavity, otherwise it will be not cavity. So it is outside to the cavity. Whatever be the charge or field configuration outside, whatever it has charges or electric field, any cavity, this is an important and crucial part of our present discussion, of the today's discussion also. Any cavity in a conductor remains shielded. It means one shield like structure from outside electric influences, whatever the outside. So this physics is not only for the learning point of view. You can what is called તમારા જીવનમાં પણ ઉતારી શકો. You should have, okay, let us understand first what the physics is, then I am giving the life science also behind these things. Okay, so any cavity is a conductor remains shielded from the outside influences. The field inside the cavity is zero, that we already seen. This is called electrostatic shielding. Any cavity, it means it means from whatever happening around you, there is no influences on you. You should have one your own shield. It is called aura. You should have one protection layer. The negativity, negative thoughts, negative energy cannot be penetrate through your shield. That is called electrostatic shielding, and it is your shielding. For here it is a cavity. Cavity has a electrostatic shielding. There is no effect or field inside. If you are going inside the cavity, you are not feeling any kind of electric field or any kind of force. The effect can be made use of protecting a sensitive instrument. This is the very important thing. Sometimes huge electrostatic fields and magnetic fields are there. Just you make the cavity and go there, because sometimes a man has to be go inside the experiment, a huge setup of the experiments, the sun, Geneva, that is your what is a LIGO, linear interferometer gravitational observatory. There is a huge electric field and magnetic fields. If the man also go there, their tissues are they just burn out within a second. But if you have such kind of cavity through which you can go, there the influences are not there. This is called electrostatic shielding part. So this is the science behind what they used for the repairing point of view, for the making point of view, for the observations or practical kind of thing they can perform. For the outside electric field influences are lots of it is there. And this is the conclusion of the electrostatic of conductors. This is what we have. inside any conductor, if their charge is not there, rho is 0, then electric field is also 0. In the reverse sense, electric field is 0, it means charge is 0. Rho is the volume charge density. This is what the second figure is, that one surface is there. If the electric field comes outside, then it's a positive sigma charge density, then it is obviously it should be positively charged. And this can be the inside, then electric field, it will be negatively charged, so the sigma is less than 0. And this electric field, how much it can be, that we already seen in the just recently in a fifth part. E is equal to sigma time epsilon 0 of the n cap. What is the n cap? N cap is the shows the normal directions of the surface. It should be, electric field is always normal to the surface element. This is what we have. Outside or inside, the electric static potential will be the same for the all the how much charge it has, it depends on. And this is a cavity scenario. Inside the cavity, electric field is 0, charge is also 0, and outside whatever it will be happen, how much charge it according it will be. According that what we discussed in the 1 to 6 part, there one example is there, that is a common lifestyle, how they use the physics, that can be explained by this 1 to 6 point. A comb means દાંતિયો તમે વાપરો છો ને, the comb runs through the once dry hair, attract a small bead of paper. If you just rub your comb on your hair, then after you can go to the near to the your small piece of paper, then papers are attracting towards the comb. Why? That's the questions are number of time you have suffer all the okay. And this is the one question, and then after what is the second question is also there. Let me explain first what this is. This is because without seeing also I can say, when you rub your comb on hair, thereby the friction of comb and hair, there you are making a charge on the comb. When the charge on, or the electrostatic, it is called inducing charge, it means it has electrified. That word may come across in the first chapter what we discussed in our, it means third chapter of this NCERT book, but first chapter what we discussed in the class. Okay, it will be in this electrostatic. No, what is exactly it mean? That electrified comb, electrified combs, if you comes to the near to the piece of papers, then the papers also gets ionized. It is not mean the ionized, it means the separations of the charge in comes. If the comb is positively charged, then the papers who get a negative charge attract towards the positive charge of the comb, then it will be attractions of the two different kind of charge on between each other. So this is that's why these piece of papers are the attracting towards to the comb. What happen if their hair is wetted, and during the rainy seasons there is not kind of things will happen, but when you have a rainy season, so that may when you rub your comb in your hair, there may friction will be reduces due to the wetness of the hair. So there if the some sufficient roughness friction you are not producing, the sufficient charge will not produce the sufficient attraction towards to the paper. That's why in these wetted seasons it will be not happening. So nowadays it cannot be worked if your hair is wetted. The same what I discussed you can read by the pausing the video. And the ordinary rubber is the insulator, but the special kind of rubber tire are used in a aircraft. Why? Which is a slightly conducting in nature. Why such kind of rubber they used which are slightly conducting in nature? So I can say one thing, if you are just use the insulator, which is rubber is insulator, sometimes from the whole plane that the charge is leak somehow, so that can be go to the tires, and if it is insulator, then the charges are staying on it. If charges stay on it, so electrostatic charges are on it. So when it land to the ground surface, then immediately those charge it is get transferred to the earth, and immediate transformations of the charges from the tires to the tires of aircraft tires to the earth then makes is sharp spark. These sparks may get damage to the tires, and also can be possibilities of the accident. That's why if the tires those tires, same rubber, those tires, if there is a conducting in nature somehow, then they can be conduct their charge which are staying on electrostatic charges. So this kind of small modification in a rubber tires also can leads the very good results in a this kind of problem to enable them to conduct the charge to the ground. So if it is they are unable to conduct the charges to the ground, as too much the static electric field is accumulating may result in a spark and the result in a fire also. So this kind of influences cannot be happen with the help of the some modifications of the conducting nature of the rubber or the tire of the aircrafts. So if you are now in the future, if you are going in a any plane making agency, then you may aware about these things. Okay, see, vehicle carrying the inflammable material, obviously petrol, diesel, using the metallic rope touching to the ground during the motion. Why? Because the same reason you can apply, you can read, I will get an idea. So you may also get that idea also. Okay, D. A bird pursue on a bare height of the power line. So you may aware about the some rare areas we have a high power lines. It means huge current and voltages are passing, and nothing will happen to the bird. But if there man standing there, then it is touch to the ground, then man gets shocked. Why? So this is why the current passes only when their potential difference produce. You are attached to the ground surface and ground surface is zero and voltage of the wires is too high, then electricity high potential to the low potential will be transferred. And the bird is flying on sky. It means it is in this not in any kind of potential. It has infinite potential because it's air. So it may not be transferred to the bird, but it can transfer to the your man who touched to the ground. So that is a condition, touch to the ground. This is what we have to do today. Thank you for the watching.